stop. Keep that trigger, keep that gun pointed at the target. You will raise your non-shooting hand. I will come up to you while you keeping that gun pointed where?
At the target.
At the target. I will come up behind you on your non-shooting side. I will say, what is the problem? You would say, my gun didn't shoot, or whatever. I will grab this gun by the slide. Once I have the slide, you release the grip and step back. And I will come in and do what I need to do as far as clearing the weapon. Everybody got it?
Yes.
That is your range procedures. So now we finna go over that once so that we can get ready to go live in our shooting. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
All right, so who's going to be my first two that's going to go over it with us?
I guess I'll be one named Vigilant.
All right, so
No, where y'all going? Y'all got to do
y'all better come over here and take a look.
Dog dog.
All right, so my first two.